Hi guys, my name is Ananya Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. I am filming after so long. It's been 20 days, 25 days since I have filmed any videos or anything for YouTube. So here it is. I have another haul for you all and this is gonna be super good because I have some really crazy products that I got from Flipkart and you are totally going to love them. Especially for this season, they are so comfortable, and especially if you have some events coming up or if you want to go out and you want to dress cute, all of these items are surely gonna be a hit. So let's get into the video. So I have all of these really pretty clothes, so let's get going. Okay guys, so firstly I have this really pretty neon top and it has got this really nice pattern going on, like as you can see over here. काफ़ी pretty है. You can stretch it out as much as you want and then यहाँ से भी आप stretch कर सकते हो, पूरा ऊपर तक हो जाएगा. Like you can see this pattern, बहुत ही pretty है and the fabric quality is also very nice. It's very comfortable, very breathable, and just to tone down the outfit a bit, I have paired it with my black trousers and my black bag. इससे काफ़ी tone down हो गया outfit. So if you're also someone who loves to wear bright colors but you just want to cool it down when you're going to certain places, this is how you can do it. I really love it. The fabric quality is really great, by the way. So this is how it looks. And I absolutely love the top. I'm gonna write the price of the top right over here, and I got this one in size medium. And now let's move on to the next outfit. Okay guys, moving on. This is the next top and this looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at this one. It's such a beautiful top, especially the fabric quality. Oh my god, it's so good. And even like this very abstract print, I mean, this one has my heart definitely. And I even really like the neck pattern. You can wear this one in so many different ways. First of all, you can wear it like this, and then you can wear it like this, and maybe the other way around. You can wear it like this as an off shoulder top. So crazy. Definitely love this one. I'm gonna write the price over here. This is definitely a must buy because you can just wear one top in so many different ways, and obviously you can just change the bottoms and make a new outfit every single day. Like, crazy, isn't it? It's also very affordable. I'm pretty sure it's very affordable. I'm gonna write the price over here. I got this one in size medium, and this, if you like go ahead and buy something that I recommend, then this is something that you should definitely go for and just try it for yourself. I've seen this all over the Pinterest. This top is going pretty viral on the Pinterest, like this particular design and this design as well, since you can wear it in so many ways. So yeah, why not? And yeah, that was about it. And now let's move on to the next fit. Okay, you all, moving on. This is the next top. It's a one-sided off-shoulder top and it's so pretty. I mean, it has got this ruched pattern which looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that. It's a very nice, fun outfit that you can wear. And again, I've carried this tote bag and the same trousers. I love this combination. And I've also paired, these very dainty pearl earrings. If I can find the link, I'll definitely link it down below. All the things will be linked down below, so do check it out. But yeah, this is the fit. I am absolutely in love, guys. And even the quality is really nice. It's very, very comfortable. And yeah, that was about it. I'm gonna write the price over here, and I got this one in size medium. And you tell me in the comments down below how much did you like this top, because I thought definitely love it. And yes, मतलब मेरे को तो बहुत ही ऐसे प्यारा लग रहा है. एंड इसका ना मेरे को रूश पैटर्न बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है. एंड इवन येस्टरडे लाइक आई वोर दिस टॉप एंड आई शॉट अ वीडियो एंड इट जस्ट सो ब्यूटिफुल. मतलब ये टॉप बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा था उस वीडियो में भी. एंड इवन टुडे व्हेन आई एम वेयरिंग इट, आई अगेन फील सो नाइस. एंड स्पेशली इफ यू लाइक नॉट समवन हु ओपन्स देयर हेयर बट you like to put your hair in a bun, this is gonna look amazing. I just don't do buns. But if you, definitely go for that because it's gonna look amazing. And that was about it. And now let's move on to the next item. Okay, you all, moving on. This is the next top, and again, this is very similar to the blue one that I showed you, except that it's just white. Again, you can wear it in different forms as I showed you in the blue one, like an off shoulder or one-sided off shoulder. You can just put this one over here and like a normal top as well. Plus, the one thing that I absolutely love about these tops is it gives you such a defined waist. like a very cinched waist look, and let me just tuck it in and show you all. Okay, so this is how it looks all tucked in. Again, a very neat top. I don't know why that word neat comes to my mind when I look at this. It gives off such a clean girl energy vibe, and I've also paired it with this very dainty minimal necklace, and again the same earrings that I wore in the last one just goes so well with the whole look. And yeah, that was about it. I will write the price over here. I got this one in size medium. Gives off such main character clean girl energy. And yeah, that was about it. And now let's move on to the next item. Okay guys, it's raining outside, so there might be a little bit of noise, but anyways, next up I have this dress, and I have shot this before, so I have the clip and I'm going to be putting it right over here. And this, like, when you see this dress, you're like, oh, beautiful, but when you wear it, it's gorgeous. Like, I was like, whenever any next event is happening, I am going to be wearing this dress, because why not? And it looks absolutely gorgeous, and I'm not even kidding. I mean, I'm going to be inserting a clip right over here of the dress, of this dress that I'm wearing, and you can see it for yourself. And trust me, I'm not like a bodycon type of a person, because sometimes they're uncomfortable. Sometimes you have this waist showing over here in the cameras and it just looks so uncomfortable, and I don't like that. I feel you. Okay, so I was on the hunt to find the perfect bodycon dress, and here it is. I found this one. It just hugs you in all the right places, and just stomach का issue होता है ना, like it shows very awkwardly, वो एकदम pop out हो जाता है. That does not happen. Like, even when you wear a shapewear, it happens in a lot of bodycon dresses that his stomach is showing, but isme that just does not happen. And even the fabric is very, very soft for this one, very soft, and you can see the color for yourself. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna write the price over here. I got this one in size medium. This one is definitely a must try, because these trends, as I told you, they are going super viral on Pinterest. So like, get your hands on this one as soon as possible. I'm going to be linking everything down below, so do check them out. And now let's move on to the next outfit. Okay, you all, moving on. If you don't want to get into plains and you just want to keep it very minimal and casual, or you want to just go for something black, I have another option. That again is a perfect bodycon dress, and it hugs you in the right places. And it's again this one. Let me figure this one out पहले. Yeah, so it's this one. अभी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा open लग रहा है, but trust me, it's not that open. इस ये आपका आता है, and I'm actually just going to insert a clip right over here. I wore this again yesterday, and oh my god, I just felt so beautiful. Like, I just felt like a main character. I'm not even kidding you guys, because I've never felt this great in a bodycon dress. Again, as I told you, I'm not just a very into bodycons, but like this one, I am in for it. I will definitely wear this the next time that I'm going out. The next time that I'm going out, probably, or whatever the occasion wants. So yeah, so as you can see in the clip, बहुत ही ऐसे classy minimal vibe दे रहा है, and you can again pair it with these pearl earrings that I'm wearing. It's very minimal necklace, or any basically necklace that you have. And yeah, this is how the dress looks like. Again, the fabric quality is really nice. इसका जो fabric है, very soft. That was about it. I'm gonna write the price over here. I got this one in size medium. And yeah guys, that was about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel.